Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15 laptop, and in this video I will tell you how to connect this device to an external monitor. So, in order to connect this laptop to a monitor, you have to use one of the two following ports on your device. So, the first one is an HDMI port that supports streaming to an external monitor, and you also have this USB Type-C port that supports DisplayPort transmission. Now, what you have to do is plug your monitor to the power source in order to turn it on. Then use one of these two ports to connect your device with either an HDMI cable or DisplayPort cable, basically USB Type-C cable. You gotta make sure that your laptop, your monitor either accepts one of those, or maybe grab an adapter from, for example, HDMI to DVI if your laptop doesn't have an HDMI or DisplayPort on your device on it. Then connect your laptop to the monitor using one of these two ports, and once you connect them, your laptop will automatically detect the monitor, and then you'll have to select the projection type that you want to use. And to change the projection type, you have to use Windows plus P, so the combination of two keys, Windows and P. And once you use this combination, you'll be able to switch PC screen only to either duplicate, in order to duplicate the image from your screen to the external monitor, extend if you want this monitor to be an extension of your current laptop's monitor, or second screen only if you want to project the image from the monitor to your laptop. And basically that's how you connect a monitor to your DELL G15 laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.